Model 18, Beta 300RR, getting zen with your Beta. Most of us have had this happen if you own your Beta long enough. You pull your seat off, and to your horror, you find your battery strap is broken. So what do? Well, you take a piece of 18-inch inner tube, the tube that's in your rear tire, and you take an old one and you cut it to anywhere from 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. Cut yourself a couple extras for spares. You got yourself a new strap. Super simple. Place to carry them with you. There you go. The original factory one for this model was an O-ring, which only lasts so long before it just lets go. It's just kind of what happens with those O-rings. The new one is a molded part that is specifically designed for the battery holder. I don't know if this inner tube fix will work, but actually this is a better solution anyways, because they're cheap, they're available, and you can carry a few with you just in case something happens. So good and held down should fix the problem. Hope you're enjoying your Beta as much as I am. Talk to you soon.